Good afternoon, YouTube. Jimmy Brooks here. I have a Master Lock stainless steel. It's pretty solid. It's a pretty hefty lock. Master Lock 532. I have had this thing a while. It has been a pain in my behind until Sunday. Stock Lock Sunday, Bear's back opened one. He raked it to a fault set and then he single pin picked it to get it open. Well, I watched that video and I said, hey, I got a lock like that. Let me go try it. Well, guess what? It worked. I got it open. I got it open just that way too. I raked it to a fault set and then I opened it. Single pin picked it. There's the key. I don't know if you can see that or not. Got a lot of highs and lows. Find something. I know you can see that. My understanding there is a security pin or two in this one. Ball bearings cannot rekey it. It is not rekeyable. Really nice, hefty lock. Some of the comments and stuff that I've had on it is that it's supposed to be one of Master Lock's better locks. All right. So I am going to attempt to replicate what I did Sunday. That's a Sparrows Bogota. It's rake slash rocking. That didn't happen Sunday, but I'll take it. There's your lock. Open. Thank you, Bear's Back, for the tip in the video. Should have loaded that Sunday, but to my amazement, I was surprised I did it that way. And I'm surprised now that it raked open that easily. Y'all have a great day.